Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make a free website using Canva. So first things first, we have to log in into canva.com. As you can see, we will land in here. If you don't have an account, you can create one completely for free. There are only small like diminishes, for example, the brand and content planner, where you see this little golden crown. You can't really use it unless you go pro, but there are still tons and tons of options for you, for example, templates and many more that are on Canva for free. So we are using the free version, so you can create your own website completely for free. So log in, and this is our landing page. What we want to do now is write down website. We click on website, and we have tons and tons of templates from Canva, so you can choose which website you want to go with. Let's go, for example, this one. And we have, as I said, really a lot of options. As you can see, some of them have this golden little crown, which says Pro, and Pro. So yeah, a lot of options. All we have to do now is pick a template that you want to start with. For example, I like this one. This one has 7 slides, so I'm gonna use it. And click on it and customize this template. And once we're in here, as you can see, there are tons of content that we can go with. For example, first things, what maybe you want to change is the header. For example, we can go with hello YouTube. We can change the font, obviously, and many more. We have some kind of pictures of architecture, so we can change them as well. We can duplicate them, copy paste, delete, and we also can put a link behind it. Still on the first site, we have, for example, about me. So this can be your photo. We can easily add a photo here. Let's go to photos, for example, and let's see what I have downloaded in here. Uploads, sorry, and I have couple of options. So this one I'm gonna delete, and I'm gonna use this one, which is my family, just like that. And you can write out something about you. Obviously, this one can ideally be completely up to you. So you don't have to go with this template. There's thousands of templates that you can use. If you don't like these images, you can get rid of them. You can also change all the options, all the photos, also all the writings. You can just simply get rid of them and get in touch, for example. Okay, we can go with elements, and let's go, for example, with Instagram logo. And we can use, for example, get in touch. You can get your Instagram logo, obviously, to better scale, and you can get a link behind it. For example, link to your Instagram account, and when the people hover over it, it will take them instantly to your account. Then let's go with YouTube logo. We have this one, which is really pretty one. Okay, we can make it like that, and move it a bit. So now people can just click on your Instagram and it will take them into your Instagram account. And what else? We can go with, for example, Twitter. So it's all a bit boxy, so I'm gonna stay in boxy shape, just like that. And you can, for example, get in touch with me by using these three media. Also, there is a Facebook option, but some people doesn't really go with it. This is really, maybe I picked a way too complicated template for it because it's really busy. And right now we want to focus on top of the website. So let's go with my website. Okay, so you can name it. Here you can try your Canva Pro for 30 days for free, which is a nice option, but I believe you have to address your credit card. Your account, you can add obviously more people into it, more projects to help you, and then preview of the website. So this is how it will look. They are using the Safari web browser, which maybe a couple of you are not fond of, and you can just scroll and check all the stuff that is in here. So just like that, you can preview your website. You can check it how it will look on the mobile phone. You can obviously rate the mobile phone app, and by simply pressing the escape button, you will return into this editor option. If you want to resize it, obviously you have to be a member of the premium party. Then we have uploads, obviously text. If you want to add a more heading or subheading, it's very easy. It's very also intuitive. That's why I really like to work with Canva. Once I need to do creative work, it's really, really nice. And just like that, for example, and we are done. And then what we want to do is publish a website. Here you can resize it. You want to do it with a free domain, which you have 5 of. You can purchase a new domain or use my existing domain. Many of you, if you found this video, you already own a domain. So once you hit a continue, yeah, you have to become a pro. Same goes with your free domain, but you will have the endings of your website. For example, www.mywebsite.my.canva.site, which is really mouthful. It's not like com or EU or net. So I strongly recommend you using your existing domain and becoming pro with the Canva itself. If you have any types of questions, guys, please leave them underneath this video and I'll try to back to you as quickly as I can. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.